Hey there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? Look at what I have. The Target Beauty Box. Now, I like this Target Beauty Box because it's $7 a month. And it comes out the beginning of the month. You should watch for the Target postings of the box. It's $7. And what I like a lot about this is that they show you what is in the box before you purchase it. The last 2 or 3 boxes I chose not to get, but when I looked at what was in the July box, I said, time to get the Target box again. So you do have to go in at the beginning of the month and subscribe. So here we are, July 2019. It's fun to get boxes. I have cut back a bit on the beauty boxes. I have so much stuff, but so what's usually in these boxes are more personal care items. So it's heavy. It's very heavy. I really don't remember why I liked it so much, so let's see. Alright, this is called Gym Bag Beauty. So I guess it's things that you would put in your gym bag. And they also give you a coupon for $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 more at Target. And you can use it online or in the store. Alright, let's see what's inside. Head and Shoulders shampoo and conditioner. And these are really decent sizes. 3 ounces. Head and Shoulders. I have never used Head and Shoulders, but my husband likes it. It smells really nice. It smells lovely. So those are good traveling sizes. Our next thing is a sheet, an anti-frizz sheets. This is why I had gotten this, and for some reason I was under the impression it came in a packet of 5. So this is by Nexus, and it's an anti-frizz sheet. Lychee over here to calm static and smooth frizzy hair. I think this would be a great item for the winter time. So you have flyaways and stuff, at least I do. Okay, a cure. Radically Rejuvenating SPF Day Cream. I really like the face creams with SPF now that I go to the beach quite a bit. Every time I put on an SPF on my face, it tends to sting my eyes. So I'm finding that the regular moisturizers, as long as you have an SPF in there, it does not melt into your eyes. And I really don't want to open this. I'm sure it's sealed. It is. I don't like opening things when I already have one in the progress. This product is full size, so that right there is worth your $7. The next thing is a Crest. I don't know why they send us Crest, Kids Crest Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste. Strawberry Rush. I don't know. I guess, maybe it's strawberry, so kids will like to use it. Will not open it at this time, but that's a good travel size. This will last you about, I would say about 2 weeks. So these things are packaged quite lovely. It's simple moisturizing facial wash. Squeeze me till the last drop. Nice. And this one is a cleansing water by Simple. So I think this would be great to put into my beach bag, and when I am on the beach, I can just get a cotton and freshen up my face. Very, very kind to the environment. I have comments about the environmental things going on. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't share it. I don't know. There was a time when people were complaining because trees were getting cut down to make paper products, and we all know that. And then they came out with plastic bags for everything, styrofoam for everything. That stuff just does not disintegrate. But somebody made a profit on all that. Not you, not me. And now, and it's about time, I think you should make a stink about some things. So now, a mass of people are making a stink about these things that do not disintegrate. You know, they're here forever. Had we not gone from paper to all of these plastic things, and what happens is, I believe they're made with petroleum. There's a petroleum product in here to make plastics. I could be wrong. Well, like I said, somebody made a bundle, and now the environmentalists are saying, hey, look, this is bad. So, heads up, big high five to the environmentalists that are taking a stand on this. And I too take a stand. I try to, especially at the grocery store, I have my own bags that I bring with me. And my husband says, hey, we're getting low on garbage bags. And I'm like, I'm sorry, that's just the way it is. All right, that's it. You take care, and I will see you again soon on another posting. Bye-bye. Enjoy your summer.